Hey everyone, I'm back after a short vacation, so let's jump right back into it with news that Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket successfully launched from Florida yesterday, November the 13th, carrying NASA's ESCAPADE mission on its way to Mars. The launch was a complete success for Blue Origin, with the first stage returning to Earth a few minutes after launch and making a successful controlled landing on the recovery ship Jacqueline, about 400 miles out in the Atlantic. Blue Origin attempted this landing and recovery in its previous New Glenn launch, but failed on that attempt. Succeeding on just a second try is pretty impressive, and Blue Origin now joins SpaceX on the very short list of companies to have achieved this feat. Hopefully, this opens the way for greatly increased future reusability, faster turnaround times between launches, and reduced resource consumption and overall environmental impact. ESCAPADE, which is an acronym for Escape and Plasma Acceleration and Dynamics Explorers, consists of two identical 1,200-pound spacecraft called Blue and Gold that will orbit Mars for around 18 months after an 11-month cruise phase and roughly 6 months to maneuver into the required orbits. The mission will use 4 identical science instruments on each spacecraft to study the magnetosphere of Mars and attempt to unravel the mystery of what happened to the red planet's atmosphere. ESCAPADE was designed as a low-cost mission, originally intended to hitch a ride with the NASA Psyche launch so that its launch costs would have been essentially zero. Unfortunately, some changes to Psyche meant ESCAPADE couldn't ride along, leaving NASA to look for an alternative launch provider. The New Glenn launch from Blue Origin is reported to have cost around $20 million, and the spacecraft was developed by a consortium led by Rocket Lab at a cost of just $55 million. The total cost to put 2 spacecraft into orbit around the red planet was just $75 million, which is pretty incredible when you compare it to the cost of previous Mars missions. That's today's video. Don't forget to drop a like. I'll catch you in the next one.